wasted? Not on his watch. 8 on your side's Mark Douglas is making sure your hard-earned money isn't going down the drain because you paid for it.
The St. Petersburg Police Department believes it needs a new firing range. The Tampa Police Department just got one. The combined cost for those two ranges, nearly $12 million. That's a lot of money, to say the least. And as Mark Douglas explains tonight, one way or another, you paid for it.
That's right, Keith. The city of St. Petersburg plans to borrow the money, and Tampa tells us that seizures from criminals is what actually funded their range. But either way, it's a lot of dough to spend on new gun ranges. St. Pete police insist they need a new firing range.
And quite frankly, it is in very poor shape.
The building leaks, the range is obsolete, and duct tape holds it together.
It's an injustice that they're having to train here in the first place.
Maybe so, but the sticker shock of a $6 million firing range comes right on the heels of St. Pete's planned $75 million police headquarters. St. Petersburg officers could train at the Pinellas Sheriff's Range. In fact, some already do.
But it is essentially their range, and it's on their time.
More than a dozen agencies like Gulfport share the Sheriff's Range. Why don't you have a firing range for the Gulfport Police Department?
Well, there are about 4 or 5 law enforcement ranges already in Pinellas County.
Across the bay, Mayor Bob Buckhorn recently dedicated his city's $5 million gun range with a bang. Tampa also wanted its own gun range, even though it had low-cost access to 8 ranges operated by the Hillsborough Sheriff.
So I'd say we have anywhere between 20 and 30 agencies use it.
The Hillsborough Sheriff's Complex is the Taj Mahal of training.
Drop me!
The sheriff's sprawling complex in Lithia also has mocked-up homes and businesses, even a jetliner. Agencies as far away as Sarasota train here. But Tampa police tell us the 26-mile drive takes officers off the street. Back in St. Pete, police commanders insist, just like Tampa, they need their own. What would you say to taxpayers who believe spending $5 million to build a new range here is a waste of their money?
It's not. It provides the officers a safe area to be able to come here. Would you want to train in these conditions?
Well, we all want a well-trained police force. The question is whether St. Petersburg and Tampa need to spend nearly $12 million for their own gun ranges when they have access to others. Now, that kind of money could buy 16,000 police rifles or 14,000 bullet-resistant vests, probably enough for every cop in Tampa Bay.
Yeah, but when you go back to Tampa, they're saying criminal assets financed their gun range, not taxpayer dollars.
Yes, but the argument could be made if they're not spending money on that, they could buy other things. So it's a question for the taxpayers to look at and also police agencies.
Don't you say one way or another, $12 million in the combined ranges.
It's a lot of money.
A lot of money, and somebody paid for it.
Absolutely.
It's likely us.
Yep.
We want to know what you think about this. Does every major Bay Area police agency need its own gun range? You can head over to WFLA Facebook, our Facebook page, WFLA.com, and weigh in on our online poll.